The Underground Railroad was a secret group of people who helped slaves escape before the start of the Civil War. It was not a real railroad, but a secret system for helping slaves get from one point to another on their way to freedom. People that didn't agree with slavery, including both African Americans and whites, helped them with food and clothing for the long journey. If you were caught helping a runaway slave escape, the punishment was 6 months in jail or a fine of $1,000. Passengers on the Underground Railroad could only travel at night, so to find their way north, they used the Northern Star as their guide. They would follow the star, and that is how they would know they were headed towards the northern states and Canada. Eventually, Congress passed the Fugitive Slave Act of 1850, which meant that any slaves caught after escaping the South had to return to their owner, even if they made it to the northern states. One important person who was a leader in the Underground Railroad was Harriet Tubman. She was an escaped slave from Maryland who made 19 trips back to the South to help other slaves escape. In total, about 60,000 slaves were able to escape through the Underground Railroad.